I'm going to be showing you how to crimp your hair without a crimper or braids using a flat iron. This is what my straightener looks like. And I hope you enjoy. Let's begin. Okay, I'm going to start with my bangs right here. And I just grab that and kind of turn in and just hold it there for a little bit. And kind of work my way down. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it enough that I make more. It didn't turn out as good, but I might make another one. If you would like me to, I would make another one using thin hair, and my sister has really short hair. She has a short stacked bob. I can do one with her as well because I did it today and it turned out pretty good.